think about once you get through that, then it's really about, and I want to say this too, when it comes to abuse, neglect, and dependency, both parents do not have to be adjudicated for there to be an adjudication. So, it could be one or the other. It really doesn't matter, how that works, at least on the terms to get to an adjudication. All right, take that as the case moving forward. After you have an adjudication, like dependency, then what you do after that is you're going to have a series of hearings. Usually there's a dispositional hearing that happens almost right after the adjudication, either right after or shortly after the adjudication, where the court is then kind of looking at everything to decide what's best for this kid right now. And usually there's a plan in place with DSS. If you were going through that and you're working a plan, once you get past adjudication, you need to not necessarily consider DSS as your best friend and tell them everything or anything like that. I'm not saying that part, but you do need to be working with them and you need to be working through your plan. And if you have missteps, you can get the right attorney that can talk through what to do if you don't want to do what DSS asks you to do. But otherwise, for the most part, you should be working that plan, because the quicker you can get DSS to say that we're okay with your child going back to you, the quicker it's going to happen. Now, again, I'm not telling you they're always right. I'm not telling you to always follow what they do, but that is true. Now, that may not be possible, and sometimes there are DSS cases where they're going to do everything they can to make sure that your child does not come home. So if you're in that situation, then it is very important to have the right lawyer talking through that issue with you.